In this lesson, we're going to learn how to trim entities. Select the Trim Entities tool from the Sketch toolbar. First, we're going to choose the Power Trim option. Hold down your left mouse button and simply drag the tool across the entities. To extend your entities, hold down Shift and the left mouse button. Drag across your entities. The corner function will trim two selected entities at an intersection or a virtual intersection. The Trim Away Inside function trims entities inside other selected entities. The red line gives us a preview of the trim. Trim Away Outside works in the same manner but the opposite way. Trim to the closest will trim entities up to the closest intersection. Or, this can allow you to extend an entity up to the closest intersection with another entity. And you do that by holding the mouse and dragging the entity. This concludes our review of trimming.